Jason Zorn's Torcon Weather Team, and we are currently sitting off the side of the road here in Delaware County, Ohio. Yep, got a severe warned QLCS squall line just to the southwest of us, as you guys can see down there in the lower right hand corner. We've been sitting here watching it for about an hour and 20 minutes now, and it is seriously pulsing. It ramps up, it slows down, it ramps up, slows down. So we are, let's see if this deputy turns around on me. Yeah, he's gonna turn around on me. So we'll talk to him. That's fine. I got a deputy turning around on me. Should I turn the roof cam on?
Look at you out here causing trouble.
I know, right? Oops.
Wee woo, wee woo.
Not the first time. Won't be the last. Now don't get blown over.
I was just checking on you.
No, I'm good.
Obviously, I didn't see the storm chaser until I flipped around.
Oh, you're good. You're
I
good.
figure you're out here just looking at some weather moving in.
Yeah, we got a big line moving in.
Okay.
So yeah, but you're actually live on the internet right now.
Oh, okay. Well,
So-
like I said, I'm just checking on you.
No, I appreciate it.
Pulled over here on the side. Can you do me a favor? Just
What's
throw
up?
your hazards on if you're going to be stationary out
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. But other than that, you're good. You're just
All
out
right.
here watching weather.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No issue with that. You're out of the lane of traffic.
Yep.
So we're good there.
So
All
I
right.
appreciate it.
Stay safe.
Thank
all
you.
right? Yep.
Yeah, he's a nice guy. I appreciate that. He wants me to turn my four-ways on. I don't want to turn my overheads on because it's just too much light.
I think part of my problem right now with weather-wise being so far behind is because I'm using my phone hotspot because Spectrum is having issues.
Shocker. So, Delaware County Sheriff pulling over to check on me. And, yeah, nice guy. Appreciate it. So, we got this line coming in. It is severe. And weather-wise is running behind, guys. It's Chris is actually telling me it's sitting about 4 minutes behind. So we'll sit here and see what it does. And no, that's not the first time I've had sheriff's deputies and police officers stop and check, and then they see storm chaser on the back window and they're like, oh, I know what he's doing. So it happens to us all the time, especially when we're sitting stationary. So actually, you know what? I'm going to try something here, see if we can get speed weather-wise up a little bit. See what this does. I should have flipped over to the roof camera because the roof camera's pointed straight backwards. So quasi-linear convective system coming in. It's not a big line, but it is a heavy line. It's got a lot of rain, a lot of lightning, and a lot of wind. a lot of wind. And the wind has started picking up a little bit over the past probably half hour or so. It's gotten a little bit stronger. I got a good crosswind here coming across. I'm on US 42 right now. For anybody that knows the area in north central
I
Ohio.
genuinely would not be surprised if this severe warned polygon doesn't end up getting extended into Delaware.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. It's holding itself together quite well, actually. So if you guys look down at the radar on the corner of the screen, it is it's pushing its way into Delaware. Like I said, the severe warn box is just to the southwest of us, so it's going to affect Delaware, Morrow, and probably part of Marion County, which is just north of here. I don't know. They're probably going to extend the warning right now into Delaware County and southern Morrow County. Maybe as far north as Marion County, because we're actually not far from any of the three counties. We're actually sitting right here in the corner of Delaware County between Marion and Morrow County. Sorry about the tick. He asked me if I turned my four ways on, so I obliged. Like I said, they stop and check on us all the time. He didn't see it. He didn't see the logos until later on. Which is fine. Makes me feel better that they're out here. And it should. For anybody that knows me. So we're going to see what this bad boy does. It's the severe is just to our west. Just our west. And it seems like weather-wise is kind of lagging tonight, so the radar might not be completely accurate, but then again, we'll find out here soon. I'll be able to tell when it gets more on top of me.
And the rain has started. It's coming down like crazy.
Yeah, you got a big rain cell right around you. Actually, it's the front end of the front edge of the rain from this system. So probably going to rain for a while. So here's the funny part about this. Gotta love Ohio, right? So quasi-linear system coming through right now. Has produced tornadoes over in Indiana. Has produced some straight line wind damage. Western Ohio, I'm hearing now. Lots of straight line wind damage in Indiana. On the backside of this is snow. Once this cold front comes through, and this trough pushes this QLCS through, we're gonna have snow. Done with snow. So done with snow right now. We only got one big snowstorm this year, but man, was it a doozy. I measured about 17 inches in our backyard after the storm was over. Did chase that a little bit around the local area.
Vehicle given from the driver.
So again, shout out to Delaware County SO for stopping, checking on me. Seeing me sitting here on the side of the road. I've got my fog lights on. Don't have my headlights on, so I think that's what concerned him. I'm not trying to shoot anybody in the face with my headlights tonight. Ooh. Alright, the winds are really starting to pick up now. Starting to really get some winds now. So, if you are in Delaware County, if you're in Morrow County, if you're in Marion County, Chris is reporting rain up in Marion County right now. This is coming to you. It's going to be I feel like it's going to be a quick hitter. It looks like it's going to be a quick hitter. Lots of rain with it though. Lots of rain. So I did have something funny happen yesterday. So with all the wind that we've had in Ohio over the past couple days, we did get 2 days ago. We got a windstorm that came through here and did a lot of damage. A lot of damage. Power still out in some places. Trees down all over the place. Hearing reports trees down tonight. From just this little bit of wind. But recorded a couple wind gusts in central Ohio of around 100 miles an hour. So it was definitely hurricane force winds. Where we're at, we've got a line of wooded area on the back side of our property, and it literally, the wind went for so long and it was blowing so hard that it literally sounded like a consistent 747 sitting in our backyard. Could not believe it. It was eerie. We think we only lost one tree. Well, it hasn't gone yet, but it's, I kept telling everybody it's a leaner, like a game of horseshoes, because it's definitely leaning over and the roots are starting to come out of the ground. But, because that was the only thing we lost. It was the only real damage that we found. But a couple areas, 96, 97, 98 mile an hour. I guess Columbus got a gust that was over 100 mile an hour. A lot of damage in central Ohio, north central Ohio. Morrow County, Marion County. Marion County had 5 structure fires that the buildings actually burnt completely to the ground from the wind, because they could not they were having a hard time, from the way I understand it. I was talking to a firefighter today. They were having a hard time getting water on it because every time they'd...
Not gonna lie, it's kind of freaking me out a little bit because it keeps getting quiet and then it picks back up again and then gets quiet and then picks back up again. And it's really loud.
That's eerie. But, so yeah, it was a,
Yeah, like I keep just hearing a bunch of wind and then nothing. Wind, nothing. And I could just hear it through the walls, and it's just really freaky.
but they, didn't hear of any fatalities. Thank goodness. Lots of structural damage. All over the place. Businesses, homes.
Also, call me crazy, but down by Xenia, it looks like it might be trying to do a little something.
You said down by Xenia?
Yep.
Robert Union 610390. Robert Union 610390.
Yeah, it looks like we got a little rotation there. So if you're out by Xenia, you got a little bit of rotation on the backside of the storm.
Because of course it would be Xenia. Why wouldn't it be? Tornado capital of Ohio.
True story. Guys, we are definitely setting pretty for the storm. I'm gonna roll the window down for a second so I can actually see something. Now we're getting some lightning. I'm gonna turn the camera just a little bit, guys. Give you guys a little bit of a better angle on it. Not that far. Oh, hang on. Sorry. Try this again. There we go. And we're starting to get a little bit of rain. My arm just got hit by a raindrop.
Starting to hear some pretty good thunder up here.
Again, sitting in Delaware County, Ohio, just west of the Morrow County line, in between Delaware and Ashley, Ohio. Quasi-linear convective system coming in, QLCS. A lot of times with QLCS systems, they spawn embedded tornadoes in the line. They don't always get picked up by radar. I'm teaching myself patience tonight, guys. No, I'm actually a pretty patient person. Letting the storm come to me. That's why we decided to just come out here on 42 and sit. And again, I apologize for the tick, 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 tick in the background. But again, I was asked by the sheriff's office to turn my four-wheel on, so just being compliant. I like to be compliant. So the storm is still severe warned. The polygon has shrank down quite a bit. Still there though. Looks like they're attempting to keep that polygon right on the squall line. Is it me, or is the National Weather Service just trying to keep that polygon right on the squall line? Or right out in front of it?
I was about to say the same thing.
So it's 20 after 2 in the Eastern time zone. Been watching it on radar for a while now. So this system goes all the way down into northern Alabama and Mississippi area. Actually further than that. Nope, Alabama. It's going to make a pretty solid run at us here in a few minutes. It's actually coming into Delaware County now. So what we'll do is we're going to let it pass by us, and then we'll follow it from behind back into Morrow County. Actually, I need to... Oh, the rain's here. raining in my window a little bit. Temperature's still 65 degrees outside, so I mean, dew points are
Three, need to respond 3443 road 20, squad 3, need to respond 3443 road 20. Reference, not a tree left assist for elderly male.
all right. Here it comes. All right, just got into the rain.
Three copies.
Line 40 will have one male 21.
Here, sir. Have you one male 21?
All these noises is making my ADD go into overdrive. Not trying to be quiet, guys, but just waiting on the bigger line to get here. Oh. So, let's talk about my luck lately. They like to blow apart before they get to me, guys.
55 control.
And I'll tell you what, my allergies have been going crazy for the past couple days. Weather changing back and forth. It got cold one day, got a windstorm one day, warmed back up, got up to 70 something today. Supposed to be down to 20 something tomorrow. Mother nature needs to find springtime real quick. like really quick. Because I am definitely over the winter stuff. Need to get out here and start chasing some storms. And so as you guys can see, got the microphone up and working again tonight. Finally charged it. Cameras are working like they're supposed to. Ticker's working like it's supposed to. Put a little bit of work in the other day, got everything updated. That was part of the problem, is I hadn't had a chance to excuse me, update anything from last season. Because, well, honestly, because we had been moving for the past couple weeks. Actually, we started packing like 6 weeks ago. Moved into a new house, and I just, everything from the office is packed up, everything from, just hadn't had time to work on anything, unfortunately. But now we're getting things together. Oh, we're rocking. The wind is rocking us. So hopefully everybody in Ohio had a good day today. Enjoyed the nice warm weather. Of course, I had to work tonight, but decided to still come out after work. It waited to tease me. It straight up waited to tease me. Because it looks like on radar it's starting to fall apart. Like I said, I sat and waited for this thing to come to me. I mean, we could have got something better if we had gone after it, but with the lack of sleep and all that, just trying to give you guys some content. I didn't even see anything. I didn't even see any lightning in this thing anymore. A couple big flashes to the north of me. Not seeing any lightning markers on radar. And check, oh, wrong window. Excuse me. Rain picks up and then the rain falls off. See what they do with this severe. They're keeping this severe right on top of the main line. Which, with all the upgrades and everything that they've done this year, they did quite a few upgrades this year. Oh, more wind. More wind. We might be close enough to Columbus that we're going to get the Columbus safety dome. Yep, quit raining again. It's drizzling, but the wind's still blowing. Get a little on the tired side, but we'll keep it right here. Still got a severe polygon on this thing. And the line, the heaviest line is still to our west. I don't know, it still looks like it's coming, it looks like it's coming back together again. And again it pulsed. It slowed down and then it ramped back up again. So like I said in the beginning of the broadcast, it's pulsing the whole way across. It slows down, it looks like it's losing steam, and then next thing you know, it comes all the way back together again.
Yeah, I don't like that because the one that's building up here is about to be right on top of me.
Yep, sitting right on your back porch.
Because the creepy thing is, right now it's really quiet here, and I don't like that.
No, not at all. Alright guys, well we'll sit here for a while longer and see what this thing does. I'm not going to bore everybody with this stuff, but if it picks back up again, we'll jump back in here with a live stream again and let you guys know what it's going to do. Show you what it's doing.